Welcome to the HONOR X5c channel. Today I'll show you how to enable and customize the quick launch feature on the HONOR X5c Plus. So first, open settings by scrolling down from the top right corner and pressing this little gear button. In settings you have to scroll all the way down to the accessibility features section. Here click on shortcuts and gestures. And here is the options we were looking for. There is a double press power button when your screen is on, and the double press the volume down button when the screen is off. You can change it to two different settings. For example, when my screen is on, let's launch my recorder. When I double press the power button, let's see how it works. Double press the power button, and the recorder launches. Very nice. Now let's go back, and when our screen is off, let's enable the flashlight. So let's see, let's disable our screen and double press the volume down button. As you can see, the flashlight is on. Let's disable it, and it's off. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the HONOR X5c channel for more videos. Leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.